tiniest triangular tip. So it's really sharp edges as well, so you can create microfine hair strokes or fluffy hair strokes, and you can also shade with this pencil and create like soft brows or really defined brows. The very fine corner of the pencil to create really microfine hair strokes, like so. You can make them really defined, or you can go with lighter pressure to make them look fainter. You can also use the side of the pencil to create more fluffy strokes, and then you can shade using the flat of the pencil. So it's really versatile. You can create nice hard edges, and then you can get nice soft lines as well.